Hey guys, it's Aurelio Perez with Aladdin Group, and I'm super excited to show you around our latest listing at 147 Flintwell Court in San Jose, right here in the highly sought after 95138. This beautiful home is nearly 1,500 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and modern touches throughout, sitting on this incredible 9,200 square foot lot. Here, with nearby parks, great shopping and dining options, you're gonna love this location. And with Highway 101 and 85 nearby, you're about 20 minutes from San Jose International. Did somebody say saltwater pool or ADU options? Come on guys, let's go check this out. Thank you for taking a look at our latest listing at 147 Flintwell Court. And for any of your real estate related questions or for that private showing, feel free to reach out to Aurelio Perez.